Testing is the most underrated skill in engineering, software engineering in 2026. Look, we all can build software. Lots of people now can build software with AI. The key isn't can you build something? The key is, does it work? Do you know that it works? Can you verify? Can you validate it actually works? Does it solve the customer's problem? There are two ways that I know of testing. There's lots more, of course, but there's two ways that I've invested, I should say, in testing. One of which is unit testing and the other is observability. And people may say to me, observability isn't really testing. It is. It's a form of testing in production. It's testing your assumptions about how your software works in production. Unit testing is just not very widely understood, I don't think. Lots of people write the odd unit test here and there, but many don't invest in it as heavily as I think they could do. And I don't think there's any coincidence in that most of our software now is broken, buggy, unreliable. So I would suggest to you, with a little bit of humility, that if you don't take unit testing and observability seriously as a software engineer, you are really missing a trick. So there is lots of good resources for both of them. Let me start out with one resource for each. The first resource for unit testing is Kent Beck's Test Derisitata. I can never pronounce it. It's in the description below. It's all the qualities, the good qualities of unit tests. And obviously the classic tome is his test-driven development book, but that's obviously a whole book, so feel free to dig into that. I love TDD. It's amazing. Second thing is Observability Engineering by Charity Majors and Liz Fong-Jones and George Miranda. This is the absolute tome, the canonical book on observability, what it can do for you, why it's so important, and why it's important to test your assumptions in production. So, Kent Beck, Charity Majors, those are the two people to follow. The books are Observability Engineering and the Test Desiderata, which is not really a book, it's a site. But that gives you a good idea on all the qualities for a good unit test. If you have any questions about unit testing or observability or testing in general, pop it in the comments and I'll see you later. Bye.